Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing credentials and connectivity. Open your phone's App Store, search for Microsoft Outlook, and tap Install. Once installed, open the app and choose Add Account. Enter your full email address. The app usually auto-detects company or Microsoft accounts. If prompted, choose work or school versus personal to match your account type. Make sure you're on a secure Wi-Fi or cellular connection so authentication and sync complete without interruption. You now proceed with account authentication and sync choices. Enter your password and complete any two-factor prompts. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow that flow and grant permissions. Once signed in, go to Settings Account and pick Sync options. Choose Push for instant delivery or a timed interval to save battery. Also toggle Calendar and Contacts if you want those integrated. Make sure notifications are allowed so new mail alerts reach you promptly. You finish by confirming mail behavior and resolving common issues. Open Inbox, verify focused and other and adjust swipe actions for archive or delete. If sync stalls or you see authentication errors, first force close the app and try again. Next, update the app in your OS. If problems persist, remove the account and add it anew, or manually enter server type, Exchange, IMAP, and server name as provided by your admin. Remember, restarting the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.